Hello, my name is Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm very excited to have what's called a virtual walkthrough with me on this beautiful home with a wonderful open floor plan, and I'll show you in a minute. The address is 1778 Woodthrush Street, Northeast Canton, Ohio, 44721. Now this home has 2,758 square feet above ground, plus an additional 1,065 feet below ground, which is a walkout lower level, 2 patios and bedroom. It has all kinds of wonderful space, plus another bathroom, a lot of living space. It's 3,823 square feet, priced aggressive. This would be in the Plain School District. So thanks for coming with me. Let me show you through the home since you can't be here, okay? So let's take a look out the front door to start with. So let's see what the view is. We got a big storm coming. See if it's raining out there yet. So this is the front view, a lot of nice landscaping. All right, so we're gonna head in the front. Okay. So when you come in, you notice right away you have a 2-story great room, 2-story foyer, and warm and inviting hardwood floors. And check it out, I think they're hickory. Look at this. Can you see the grain? So it's real nice. So as soon as you stand here at the front door, you see a wonderful photo op for kids that are at prom or some of those dances. To the left, you have a formal dining area with a trade ceiling and light accents up in the recessed area there. You can't tell, but it's there. Also, you have a hickory-lined floor with carpet inlay, which you could see. Nice columns. Let's look at the great room here. All right. So you get a look upstairs. Now back at the living room. This is the entranceway. So you can call it a great room or a living room. A lot of people call this a great room because it's great. It has 2 stories. So there's the ceiling. So you see the build-ins, big TV, a lot of wood detailing, and then up at the top here, you see that's all stone from floor to ceiling. That's a nice gas fireplace. Let's give you a view out the back. Now down below, I'm going to show you, is a great little area to sit and entertain down below. There is a walkout, so you get a lot of natural light, even though it's a gray day, and we're about ready to get a big storm. So this is what you see from the great room. And if you look, the windows cover floor to ceiling, so you get a lot of beautiful natural light. Okay, so let's take a look over here into the eating space and kitchen. So you have some beautiful cabinetry, maple with granite countertops and an eat-in kitchen, ceramic floor. Let's take a peek at that. You can see the little accent piece. It's nice and neutral. And then off of that, you have a sliding door to a nice maintenance-free deck. Another great place to entertain. So let's take a look at this countertop. So you can see the pattern. So right over the sink here, this is what the view looks like. So you can see the deck. Actually, you could probably even open those windows and hand some goods out to snack on. Got a nice island here. Stainless steel appliances. Tile backsplash is gorgeous. The cabinets are awesome. And then you have some glass where you can accent some of your prettier pieces. You got crown, 9-foot ceilings in here, so it's pretty spacious. Let me take another look at the great room from this angle. So it's hard to believe it's a gray day out there, but you can still see a decent amount of light coming in. All right, this is a peek in the basement, which we'll go to shortly. Let me show you the laundry mudroom area. All right, so, and there's speakers piped in throughout the house, good part of the house, so you could have accent to adding some music. Really a good sized room. And it also has a 3-car garage. Plenty of storage. Here's your closet when you come in off the garage. Okay, back into the kitchen area again. Let's go to the other side of the house. One more peek here though. You can see where you come in. Okay. So here's your foyer again. Look, natural light. I'm going to give you a view there. See that window? So it's 2 stories, nice light fixture. All right, so let's go look. There's 2 bedrooms down here. Let's go look in the master. All right, so here's your master. See the ceiling? You have a nice angled ceiling with a skylight. Now, off of the, you see a slider here? Let me show you the view here. So you got a little deck to sit out here and just have a cup of coffee in the morning or your tea. So it's real private, maintenance-free material. So you could sit out here and have a glass of wine and go to bed. Okay, good sized room. All right, so let's take a peek in the master bath. Okay, so straight ahead you see a large soaker tub. It's a jacuzzi type, right? Let me show you the tile. So you can see the texture. All right, double sinks. That's like a cultured marble. Nice decor. Look at that little chandelier above the tub. Let's take a look at that. And then look at this. You want to talk about a soaker tub? That's huge. So that melts your pain away. And then of course a large shower right here. 2 shower heads. And then a good size walk-in closet. Okay. And that has carpeting in it. So then the potty room has a separate door so you can close it. Coming out of the master, back to the master bath to the bedroom. Again, you have that nice little accent deck off of the master bedroom. And then of course the skylight up here. All right, let's go to the other room that could be a bedroom or an office. So here you go. This is a high ceiling with a skylight. I'm guessing this might be 12 feet tall. You have a closet, so of course you can use this as a bedroom, guest room, or an office. All right, so let's take a look upstairs. All right, so up this beautiful staircase, and then we'll take a look from up above. So let me show you what it looks like as you're going up with the great room. Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, so as you're at the very top here, let's just see what the view is over. So I'm looking over the railing. So you can see, so 2 stories high. So now up the top of the steps, actually you have a pretty large area. You could even put a desk, a computer desk if you wanted. So here's another bedroom. See the ceiling? Let me pull back. If you notice, all the doors, solid wood. Well, this is a quality built home. What's great about it is it's a 1st floor master suite. Let's look at the bathroom here real quick. All right. Cabinet's like a chocolate tub shower combo. See the tile. Of course, all the doors up here are wood. Okay, here's a double closet in this bedroom. Behind the door, you see. Okay, let's get a peek out the window. So it's part of the driveway turnaround for the 3-car. Yard's in great shape. So anyhow, so here's your bedroom up. Plenty of space here. You got a large linen closet here in the hallway, which is really nice. Also, you have vacuum flow, so here's an outlet for that. So let's go back downstairs. All right, so here we go downstairs to the basement. The thing nice about this is the basement has a walkout lower level, so it makes it really nice. Okay, so this is a laminate floor. It looks like wood, it's beautiful. All right, so here's the bathroom with a shower, a vanity, and this is tile as well. This is just like a little game room area over here. It's nice. You could actually put a bar back here. You see there's some plumbing for a sink or a wet bar. Okay, so let's go see the rec room part of it. So here you go. So you see the slider to a nice patio. We'll peek out there real quick. So you see they have a fire pit and plenty of space. So lots of living spaces for outdoors. I like the full windows. That gives it more of a livability. Okay. Okay, let's peek over here. So this could be an exercise room. And then you have a bedroom off of this with full windows. And then closets. So this definitely could be another bedroom. The floor here, it's like an epoxy type paint. You can see how it has fleck in it. So lovely space, lots of room. Okay, so now we're going into the utility room. Check this out. So what you normally wouldn't see is, you see the electric box. This is a 200 amp service with an extra box for more breakers. This is Cat 5, so this is your electronic center. Phone. Over here, it was mitigated for radon, so you have that taken care of. And what I like over here is if you're familiar with water heaters, this is what's called a power vent. It's basically very efficient. It doesn't get hot. Got a water softener, vacuum flow system, and then a Lennox furnace that's high efficient. And it's called a zone furnace, which means it's way more efficient because you have multiple areas of controlling the air conditioning and heating, okay? So here we go, head back upstairs. I'd like to say thank you for tuning in and watching my virtual tour. If you'd like to see it, you can call me at 330-418-1535 or go to DominicFonte.com. You can see this tour as well as others, or send me an email, Dominic@DominicFonte.com. Have a great day.